Hi, everybody. Sorry about my hair. I just got out of the shower. Okay, so as the title says, I have an announcement. No, I'm not quitting YouTube, but there's going to be a change because of a lot of reasons, which I will explain. I have chosen to stop DIYs pretty much on YouTube. So, I'll do things for like myself in the house or friends and family, but here's the deal. I really want to paper craft. That's what I'm going to switch to permanently, is paper crafting, because DIYing it's fun. Don't get me wrong, but it's become very costly, and I don't have anywhere to sell my stuff. I've tried online, didn't go well. Yard sales didn't go well because people wanted to pay $1 or $2 for these big DIYs, and I just can't do that. You know what I mean? I signed up for a vintage market that didn't come through, and I feel like it's costing our family more doing that. And plus, to be honest, even though it's fun, it's not as relaxing as paper crafting would be, or is for me. And I feel like that's where I need to go. I've been thinking about this for some time now, and in a lot of debate, this wasn't a over the night decision. I've kept my mouth shut, and I've been just thinking about it to myself. And then the crazy thing was, all of a sudden, all this paper crafting stuff is coming to me. And today I'm getting more from another lady, which is really sweet of her. She's moving and she needs to downsize, so she's giving me some more paper crafting stuff. So I really appreciate that. And it's just like, I don't know if some of you believe in signs, but I feel like it's my sign that yes, that's the path that I need to walk on right now. And yes, I know this is risky. I'm still working on getting monetized, so this is very risky. But right now, like, we have so much going on in our lives with our boys and everything, and I never stop and think, okay, so what do I really want? And now I'm doing that. This is what I want. I want to do what, really relaxes me. That's what I need more than anything. No offense to any subscribers, but I need something that brings me peace, okay? And another thing is, like, when I'm paper crafting and I make something, it's so lightweight. Like, I can ship it to a friend, another paper crafting friend, and it won't cost me a kidney or a freaking leg, you know what I mean? So, and versus DIYing, I'm very limited on what I can share, like if somebody's not local. And I hate that. I really, really hate that. So, like I said, I know this is risky, and there's a big possibility that people might walk away from my channel. And you know what? That's okay. If you feel like you need to walk away because paper crafting isn't for you, that's fine. Hopefully, I will get some paper craft lovers to come join me and sit and relax and make some fun stuff with paper, because paper, there's so many things you can do. And to be honest, I feel like maybe somebody might think I'm wrong, but I feel like you can paper craft cheaper than you can DIY. You know what I mean? Because I'll have to give you a printer when I can, because mine broke, but like, you can go on like Etsy and get digital downloads for like $1 or $2 and really pretty stuff, and you can reprint and reprint and reprint. You know what I mean? Versus DIYing, where I'm having to constantly buy this and this and this and this and this for one DIY project, and then I'm constantly having to worry about, is this high-end looking enough? And I was always questioning myself with that. And I don't really do that with paper crafting. It's just you sit and you create and you have fun. There's absolutely no rules. you know, and I've missed it. Like, I stopped paper crafting for a while, and I missed it, and I am so glad to be back on that bandwagon. I think my phone might be freezing up a little bit. Sorry about that. We got some really bad weather, and our internet's been acting up, so if it freezes, I'm sorry. But anywho, that's my announcement. So starting next week, it's gonna be paper crafting. We're gonna have I'm definitely having some fun. If you want to come have some paper crafting fun with me, you are welcome to join me and invite your friends. But this is where hot mess crafting is headed, and I'm happy about it. I hope you are too. I'm sure some are gonna be upset, but I hope for the most part, people are gonna be happy for me, and we'll stick around and to continue this journey. Promise you I'm not quitting. This is it. Like, it's going to be paper crafting, and yeah, from here on out. So let me know in comments. How do you feel about it? Are you going to stick around still? Even if you are not a paper crafter, to see what, maybe I could inspire you to try it out. I don't know. We'll see. But, thank you so much for everybody who has stuck around. If you don't want to stick around now that I'm going full-time paper crafter, totally fine. I completely understand. It's not going to upset me, because at the end of the day, I have to do what's best for me. You have to do what's best for you, right? So, I hope you guys have a great weekend. I will see you next Thursday with a brand new paper crafting video. Bye, y'all.